Ukraine's drone army continues to take out Russian armored vehicles. Having a design of high firepower but little protection has backfired as FPV drones entering the battlefield, as these can easily hit the vehicle, often causing an internal fire as the shape-charged warhead penetrates into the vehicle and hits the fuel or ammunition. But sometimes the reaction is immediate, causing the ammunition to detonate all at once. Seen here as the turret goes flying with the other parts of the vehicle, destroying another of Russia's armored vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.